So yeah guys, so now let me begin with pattern 17. So in pattern 17, in first line we have to print A, then ABA, ABC, BA, then ABCD, CBA. So again, first outer loop will be I loop, which will be from 0 to 5 because no 0 to 4, 4 rows we have to print. And this skewed triangle means to print this gaps, we have to run j loop for the gaps, and again the character part we have to manage it by another loop, some k loop. So yeah, the idea remains the same, the core principles doesn't change here. I less than 4 and I plus plus. Now we have to print the space for int j equal to 0 to space we have to print, right? Yeah, that too in this manner, so it's better to, I think it's better to do it, like this. It gives us more convenient. See, at any time you can change this looping patterns, this doesn't make any difference. Okay, then j less than j greater than 0 and j minus minus. And we will simply print this space here, and what we will do is, again gap we have to print, that is fine. But before gap, let me see first this triangle is getting printed properly or not. Okay, so see, these gaps are printing properly or not. First let me see that. These are getting printed. So now let me use and another loop. This will be quite tricky, I think. Yeah, again that two gaps will be there, right? uh, first first 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. So int okay, it would have been better if we did it little bit differently, doing it like this will be more simple for us. And I think this we can do j greater than I, j minus minus. And now let us see first. Okay, same thing. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter what you do. So in this k loop, in k equal to 0, k less than k less than 2i, what will be 2i? So 3 to the 6, so I will be 6, right? At last I will be 6, sorry, not I will be 6, I will be 3. And here we have to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 6, 3 to the 6, so 2i plus 1 we have to do. And the same similar pattern which we did above, that kind of logic we have to build it here again. And here we have to print some characters. Okay, what we have to do is okay, so if we do ch is equal to a, then this will work. We will print ch, and we will also remove this. We will remove this ln, print ln, simply print, but ch should also get incremented, but in that same loop itself. So this is quite tricky part. I think conditional loops we have to use, or what we have to do. If k, okay, when we have to minus, let us see when we have to minus. K will be 0, k will be 0 1 2 here, 0 1 2 0 1. Okay, at first index here, then 0 1 2, second index here, 0 1 2 3, third index here. So if or simply what we can do is, if k, okay, yeah, I think we also have to reverse this. If k percent, not percentage, but k by 2 is equal to, or we can simply do it like this: k is equal to I by 2. If k is equal to I by 2, then reverse the order, ch minus minus, else you keep incrementing the k, sorry, the character, you keep incrementing that. I think this might work, but let us see. I'm not sure. A B C. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, yeah. A B A. There is little bit mistake here in this logic. So regularly we will do it as ch plus plus. Okay. And if we can do one thing, okay, we can change this looping pattern. If k is greater than I by 2, then this, else this. Okay, some mistake here in ASCII values. A B C B A B C D it should print, and okay, almost we are done. Some issues, I think k less than and equal to we have to do. This will fix our errors. No. A B C B A. Some edge cases we have to see. So see, I think if I think I was doing it wrong. It should not be I by 2, it should be 2i plus 1 by 2. I think this will make our execution correct, but let us see. A B, no, it is still wrong. So yeah, if we consider the second row, this will be 3, 2i plus 1. It will be 3 because it is printing 3 characters. So 3 by 2 is 1.5, but 1.5 by default it will be taken as so when we will compare this int with floating point, I think this 1.5 will be 1.5 will be rounded up to its nearest value. So that's why the things are not getting right here. But if we simply do it minus 1, then I think it will work. Yeah, A B C B A B C D C B A, because 1.5 was getting rounded off to 2, so we don't want that. That's why we did this minus 1. I think this pattern is also clear for you guys. Now we will solve this pattern. I think, yeah, 18. Then I think these 4 are quite tough, but let us do this 18th one.